Hi all. Today we'll see about how we can build our own personal portfolio on Salesforce. So there is one tailored batch. You can complete this tailored batch and create your own portfolio on Salesforce. These has lot of detailed steps like how we can create a portfolio site and how we can customize your site and add pages to your site and publish your site. So you can simply follow all the steps. So it has all the detailed steps like how we can enable the sites and how to set up a basic site and how to publish a site, and like you can build your own portfolio using this trailer batch. So I'm going to show you how I built my portfolio. So I'll simply go back to my Salesforce org, and under setup I'll search for sites. If you see under digital experience, you can see an option called as all sites. These are the three portfolios which I created, one with LWR template and one with Aura template. And you can select your own template actually. So if you click on new, this will navigate and ask you to select a template. So you can choose your template here, and you can simply drag and drop all of your components which you want to display in a portfolio and publish it. So right now I'm going to skip this part. So I already selected a template. So for example, this is one template which I selected, the Aura template, and this is the portfolio name. And if I click on builder, so this is my portfolio. And here, once you open builder, actually Salesforce offering a lot of standard components where you can drag and drop into your portfolio. So there are a lot of standard components, and also I created some custom components, custom LWC components. So these are all the custom LWC components where you can drag into your portfolio site. So this is a simple rich content editor where I'm showing an image as a header or a banner, and this is also a rich content editor where I'm displaying a bio about myself, and here I'm displaying an image of myself. So this is a custom LWC component named as carousel. So here I'm displaying an image from a static resource. So that's one thing. I mean, I just want to display it in a carousel, but right now it is showing only one picture. uh, Basically a carousel can show multiple pictures, right? So I'm displaying only one picture here. And this is also one more LWC component, display skills. Like I'm just displaying my top skills. This is one more LWC components. I'm displaying all the certifications, all my Salesforce certification, and here I'm displaying all my projects. So these are all the YouTube videos where I'm showing all my projects. And at the bottom, you can see this is the one more custom LWC component where I'm showing my social media links. So these are all the icons. When a visitor can click on this icon, they'll be easily navigated to my social media handles. So you can drag any your standard components or your custom components based on your requirement, based on how you want to customize your portfolio. Yeah. And one more thing you can see here is the chat. Like you can see, we can also drag our chat component also. So we have this embed service chat. So we have to do some setup for this service chat to work. So there is an another trailered badge named as like build an experience cloud set with knowledge and chat. So you can make use of this trailered badge. You can follow this trailered badge and complete it. Then you can get to know how we can add a live chat to the experience cloud. So how we can add a live chat to the experience builder. So now I just enable chat also. And the first thing is you have to drag and drop all the components. If you want chat, you can add it. The next step is like if you see there is a button, settings buttons here. If you click on the settings buttons and if you go to general, you can see this checkbox is I enable this checkbox. So that means I guest users can see and interact with the site without logging in. So when I open this portfolio as a guest user, I can see the portfolio directly without any logging in. So if I don't need to enter my username password. So as a guest user, I can access this site. So it's basically a public site. So once you enable this button, you have to simply publish your site. Yeah, you can simply click on this publish button and this will publish your site. Now the I think it will take some time to publish. Now if I go back to my Salesforce org, so this is the link for my portfolio. And now I'm going to copy this. Now as a guest user, I just want to navigate to my portfolio. So I'll just enter the link of my portfolio. Now you can see as a guest user, I can see my portfolio here. And right now the chat button says Varun is offline because there are no live agents available. So for that, what I'm gonna do here is I'll again go back to Salesforce. So inside Salesforce, I'll go back to my Service Console app, and here in Service Console app, I'll just open Omnichannel. I'll just mark this as available. Now the visitor can see an option like chat with Varun. Instead of Varun is offline, it will show the button as chat with Varun. So now I'm gonna go back to my portfolio again. So this is my portfolio. I'll just do a refresh here. Yeah, now we can see chat with Varun is automatically enabled because the agent is online. So now I'll just simply click on this thing. Here I need to enter my name, the last name, and some email, and I'll click on start chatting. So once I click on start chatting, I'm going to navigate back to Salesforce. So I'm going to show my Salesforce screen now. And here you can see under Omnichannel, I got one request. I can accept this request. Now a contact is created. A contact is created. And here I can chat with the visitor. So again, I'll go back to the port. So now I went to portfolio. As a visitor, I can type in a message. And in Salesforce, I can see this message in Salesforce and I can do a reply also. The same message will be appearing in the portfolio for the guest. For the guest, you can see here. Yeah. So in this way, we can create our own personal portfolio and publish it. Thanks for watching.